16 years old. Because I keep partying, you know, Ramesh. You think I know would have be the time for him buy me out? You know, feel like I have value. You know, this podcast thing for quite a while. I've been in Jamaica back for like a year and change, and bro, I'm outdoing like by far. I have more subscribers than me and everything. But don't try to start some false narrative, bro. Remember, I said everybody telling about no matter I'm always coming here so publicly and say I don't agree. When you interview Byron telling about no matter why. Because you keep on bring down people. I said on this show, say Byron here another song. Why never tell Jeffrey what's up mother? Because well, remember the time when Jeffrey said Byron tune big. See TJ there? TJ come right, so TJ, because you know like nobody who me and my friend, and TJ say, no, I'm ready to you, because you said if up top boss get the run, he might know what to do with it. We big up people, all the while, never try to tear down people. Spice telling about to the mother. Then time the podcast never do it there right now, must come up and show me say, I mean, I respect that, because regardless when I still my co-workers. Who's telling about them, mother? Boom, boom? I'm going to say that, I'm Mama G. I'm going to say him show this to that neither. It's because when you bring down people, you shouldn't tell like the companies of them are individually. She's a camera, everybody individually. It makes sure so nobody never take the suck and want to take the mother. You know, like everybody get them own suck your mother, so they're not share it up. You understand? I never go there so it will not come. Really respect what I do. No, who was that to? Triple X. Let's talk about Triple X. Triple X. When you speak for my name, it's supposed to be thank you. You thank someone man, bro. Remember that. The last time you're relevant is when you said some weird shit about Ramesh. The time before that is when me put you on. If you type in Triple X name on YouTube, he got his most views on my platform. Remember that, Triple X. Remember. And again, I have no problem with nobody critiquing anything I do. But why when they can't come and say, boy, I'm not like Jeffrey have the place in or Jeffrey do a good interview, you know. Maria told Jeffrey, make laugh, they start laughing and make him change his image. People say it's a human being, it's dark youth. But when I say them things like this, when a quote unquote feel or they say the hatred and the jump on the hatred and Triple X. Remember I said the job we have now nationwide, it was thankful for, bro. And they offer me that job. One ask if I'm lying, they offer me that job. And it's so ironic that you underneath, the nigga not produced by the way, but I'm not showing the coincidence. You underneath got that position right after I do an interview with me. You don't think that's crazy? You don't think that's ironic? You have to thank me, bro. That's the last time you've been relevant. People, can you send me a file with Triple X? And if he's on a file, he's not playing at no big party. Me see Triple X on a Zimmy set up. Me see him on the Suns. Me see him on you're a DJ. Bro, focus on that, bro. If you ever talk for everything, and it's not the first time you do it. But see, now you fix something, the same thing with them say, the same big fuck you with them say, you're over there, clap. What you clap for? What the fuck you clapping for? And you was a man, what say you used to go KC to try to bring down a KC man, bro. That's not Fortis like. What is wrong with you, bro? Like, what is seriously wrong with you, bro? All on the pan is clout wave, dog, and it's scary. It is scary. And you to Triple, you have a number. So if you feel like say, Jay, bro, what that dog, or you must have teaming at the interview, John or Jeffrey, wow, you have a number. So you could have a say what you say on your radio show that a couple people listen to. But you could have also called me. You could have also called me, bro. You don't need to come the fuck down right now, bro. If you accept it, it's my time now. When you watch me I do and see how you can advance with me I do. But you don't need to come the fuck down right now, dog.
Either gonna watch us win, you're gonna rate us. Call it argument.
I need to
color this now. Color your bum buck like this. You know, color up no time now. You DJ 16 seconds.
You understand what I said?
Yeah, but
all of a sudden now, me I want proper entertainment.
Here go on.
When them a big interview on nobody, nah, go over there.
Brother, the people them.
Wait, I'm not done. I'm talking about me, them a bash a road in a dog. Them a bash a road, bash me because what? Smile at
me. We're not talking again.
You see me? I'm not going to talk about Ramesh, bro, Ramesh. I'm not even think Ramesh one more like my dog. I'm not talking about Ramesh or Ray. I know what I'm talking about. I love Chambers Boulevard how much me I think Ramesh like me. At one point in life, I'm going to talk about bio, bro. When I feel like man like cheap, what want to talk about, bro?
Expensive.
What are we really talking about that? But you know what, though? I'm not going to spend the whole of of this I talk about. It's gonna be a very short episode. I'm feelings, you know. When they have me at the first half. DeMarco, let's talk about you now. DeMarco, I'm a Jaii, bro. But you need to grow up at your age, brother. We say what we say. Before that, we post, we not say we're not following up the clash, and that's that. Nobody said you're a bad artist. I think you're the most talented artist. You say that to your face already too. Because your favorite artist is DeMarco. I will say that on the podcast, because the podcast never as big. But anyway, you come on and talk about how you give me like, yeah, Sean Paul, which like you give me bad man, you forward and you say, yo, Jay, man, some like it, I'm not using your gear. So, what about grown man go up on the media and say, in gear something? But no, I tell the people them the truth. The truth was, if you want walk and talk, reply, so you could have said, oh, I'm going to do this for walk and talk, I'm going to do that for walk and talk. But me reply, so you reach to curtain and you reach to couch. Let me come on, you tell me don't reply. I'm not going to reply. Yeah, because I already see the plan. I already see the plan. I understand. Make this can be a color, please. No, me a talk. I did it yet, but I'm moving for the me I did it yet, man. Okay, did it yet, man. Brother, listen to me. I hear a video on Fat Man. Yeah, you see it? Fat Joe ambition for years, bro. You know Fat Man style, bro. You know Fat Man make sure to put me apart this time, I say, Fat Man now have a song now, bro. Fat Man know what do that. Just go there, so your Fat Man drop a song next week. Fat Man a smart piece of Fat Man a engineer in one, you know. Fat Man a artist in one. But here I'm sure, listen up. Here I'm sure, you know. You should have called and tell me say that to me. Yeah, but Fat Man I'm a virgin. Fat Man say, what I give you all my name and this stuff there. Fat Man that, bro. And Fat Man a mile. Fat Man a G, and that's a Fat Man stay. You never see a man come before. You didn't know say. You never honest with the mark, you have me a talk, bro. You have me a talk. I'm just done. Tell me already. Is it me? Yeah, come on and talk, bro. I'm big up to Suds Cleaners, big up to Tiggy and Suds Cleaner for cleaning it. What couch feel today? Feel nice, man. I don't know. I fabric stuff and then put them. You know, so them things put out. I understand. Everything that we say, that's how I sleep. More, change the curtain. You're mad! I said pause it. No, man, I'm mad, man. They said pause it. You're mad. I know the funny thing, DeMarco wanted to come on this couch. Yeah, to come together, you're mad. DeMarco wanted to come on this couch and you know I have the voice notes. I would never do that because I'm not like you. I'm gonna walk and talk. Sorry. In front of the podcast, DeMarco, I'm boy, you know. You know you have the same place. DeMarco, I'm boy, you know, dog. How are you, man? Sometimes I'm too long to call him down, you know. Yeah. And then perform. Could I come and say, yo, the podcast, I get more views than them songs that I upload recently. But I'm not going to say them something there. You understand? I'm not going to say them something there. I'm not going to do it. So you already know. I'm not worried about artists, because they want to have bad artists. I'm not going to put me on a song. They want to have bad artists. Everybody know they want to have bad artists. But Marco, be real with yourself, bro. Number one, let's be real. Enough people lose off of you because you clash fully back. Because you come on stage and you say, Massacre, Nyland, hard for us. So if you, in a year prime, can say, yo, I'm not look for Massacre, who's a giant now, who, they man the house of all, river in their mouth to blood clot, right? And they man they have classic albums, because I want the bad to listen to it every day. Massacre pass you out, right? Massacre pass you out. So how we on DJ Masang no man? Crazy, man talking. So if you as a man them time because nobody we Massacre this is a song to you know. But DJ Masang no man. Yeah. Nah, I don't say on my podcast today, bro. DJ Masang cover. You just be after emotional support. I mean balling. Them really. I want the kind of you know. Yeah, tell me best. From you know of Massacre, you have Massacre as an artist when I have lyrics and a clash ready. Massacre bad from day one, brother. So if you them time them can sit down and say you're not clash, them you're not clash Massacre because you're bigger than Massacre. Or if you're clash fully bad now, big up to fully bad, big up to not change. But that should not happen. Then you're a bad and talk about letting me give you 6 million because you're not hot right now. You know hot right now, the pot is off. The pot is off, the oven is off. And you must even understand that, bro. That means that you're not DeMarco. That means that you're what am I gonna drop rest in peace, Miss Leslie. And guess which song I play? Falling fucking soldiers, bro. I mean choose tell that. You get me? What I'm saying, DeMarco are big artists, and we know that. I mean, Marco reason and everything, but John and Marco, I never expect that from you. You see me? But big up to DeMarco. No. Back to the fix, like that, and triple on some of that thing like that, you know. Here, what I do a challenge though, because, you know, big up to triple, Mr. Triple donate 100,000, very weak, but that's something. Somebody needs a thanks. Let's play a game. When I pick the charity, I phone the choice because Nightly Fix, you've been in the business for 10 years. Congrats on us, a decade. I've been in the business not that long, right? I'm gonna give you 2 million. When I pick a charity, whatever I give to that charity, I match it. I saw we have to see what the real guys feel rich and whatever. Want beef for now, but we don't want beef for on the streets. We want beef with some charity.
I steal it.
Yeah, because we not take from the culture, you know.
No beef, I steal it.
Yeah, we not take from the culture. We not do nothing mix up on the drama and everything and that. Make money from it. Give back something, man. Because they make a church. I just have to give back money because I make a church. So I have to throw my offering somewhere else. Come on, now, the fix. The fix, let's be honest, do a charity and I will give back some money. Any money when I go up there with them. Let's say it. I don't talk. I show you one. As me and Walkie. And I come and talk about man a groupie. But yes, still, when I call my friend them to say, yo, the kids them want to see you now. Can we do a fun day for the kids them show the fuck up, don't it? Yeah. Them show the fuck up, don't it? When I talk about that, come and talk about man buy me like. I'm telling you, dog. Be careful when I say, bro. Go buy out, bro. One of that big interview, I know vex. No, bro, dog. You see, it's a story for them, dog. Because they know the things that I know, bro. We're not plan D, bro. We're not when fuck we go on and Jeffrey busy. Jeffrey there in Miami. Jeffrey in 5-star hotels. He's in the Louis Vuitton store. That's where Jeffrey is. When we talking about some phone there, ring.
And the donkey, we've got to never have Black Friday.
Black Friday sale. Come on. So I have to say, yo, believe now with them. I'm one. Nah, don't tell them say I'm me saying it. Number one, the fuck are them blind too? I think Walkie for what name there. For interview. Link me, I'm gonna get on the interview on the one from Shensi. I'm not a person. Link me. When you see, remember I know, you see Byron, on a big interview, say, Jeffrey, I need to talk to you, boy. I need to talk to you, boy. You're not supposed to win a lot.
So come to Jamaica and
when I take that.
They are shoot.
I have a big tune up on some of the baby in my ears, but see, people, some of them think they can trust me. Enough things we know in the industry we don't come and talk, bro. You get me? We're not on that. We don't on that, but honestly, I read though. I read the man them. Enough time we talk about for them interview.
Yeah, fine.
We like good man, we talk about it. Yeah. But now, honestly, everybody are this me. We're not ready for talk now. And I'm telling you this, if you don't think me, I can reply to a homeless person who I've never seen inside of their house when I have a sad mistake. And these people have address. And I'm know now I live at Portmore. My boy for real.
You hope more different than that. Yeah, the bad part of one good part of
No, I'm just saying. Them people that have house. And I said, I already want pretty girl and job a pretty girl, like job pretty boy, but I'm not sure for the shade. No, I'm busy seeing my blush.
I already said, you pick your side, you know. I don't know.
And it's not that deep, bro. I swear it's not that deep.
Alright. My friend, I'm laughing.
But I'm telling you this, walk and talk, can't go over there again. And I start to face. You can't go over there again.
Yo, listen to me now.
And if you want, you can't go over there.
I know me can't talk, you know.
When I don't talk.
Look at the feeling you talk now.
No. So long, dog, my mom, the first thing you know, dog.
No, bro, I'm going to get talking for 5 minutes.
Talk to me.
Bro, listen to me. This is me there, and I live on top around the place. You have people that try to move the leather. You have people that try to shine off the leather. You see it? I just me there, I hold the leather and say, oh, stay up there. They might push the leather, they might go out themselves, they might do it, but stay up there, bro. Brother, you know what I'm saying? Sticks break it, but hurt never. Hurt. I'm admit to my friends say you hurt and everything and everything, brother. But no earthquake no come. So them can't shake you, bro.
But never shake.
You see it? So if you know them things like that, when I just try themselves and say them, say, brother, remember saying, brother, pre this, I'm going to look at history, you know, my friend. Remember saying, when Massacre bus and DeMarco running on a fire, body this, that. And I say every day, I tell them to show loyalty, to who show loyalty to me. I say enough time, I say him, say just up and show loyalty to him. Nobody does him. Body gone, body way, bro. I'm not firm. Visa, nothing, visa every time, not firm. Bro, say you can't, you see small-minded people, you can't make small-minded people try to get down big, man. We put on a journey, but we will turn, brother. Walk your Jeffrey, further up there, you want something to you right now? DJ, Virgin say, such man. Virgin say, yo.
Who the man, realize men are well, eh? We're not gonna. And then yeah.
One second. Okay, I end up on the thing, a fish. For sure, bro. Yeah. So, you have to understand that you can't make sense to get a... But there was a thing where imagine you're in business from you're 14. I'm 14 and I'm in business now, dog. You think somebody get fight like Jackie Chan Jet Li? Maybe say up to the fight, bro. So them good thing, bro, you can't, them think they're like, Jeffrey, you want to see the place. And so them did them do it already, and now can't do it again, bro.
You can't do it again.
Yeah. But yeah, when them do the robot, you know. You can't do it again.
Walk it. That's show love.
Yeah, show love. Remember that? Yo, 1 to 6 and 10 I was just talking to the trophy and I say, yo, John no star, the 6